Okay, so we're here at 15th floor, Pearl Wing. Okay, so here is the junior suite. Let's see around. To the right is the restroom. This is the toilet only. Okay, faucet, sink, and there's a workspace here with a wide desk, lamps, table, and approaching the living room. So there are sofas, chairs, TV. Let's see what's here. Charging port. And there's a city view here. Okay, that's the main entrance of Okada. Okay, this is what they call the city view. See Okada right there. Continue. So that's access if you have an adjoining room. And go here to the bedroom. Okay. TV, snacks, charging ports. Okay, so the second TV of the room, snacks. Okay, so not part of the package, paid separately. And pointing towards here we have their station for water, coffee, ice bucket, a private bar. Got glasses for your drinks and wine. Empty drawer. Private bar here. Here's the coffee, drip coffee. Tea, creamer sugar, bottles of water, water heater. Here's access to the main door. We were there earlier. And we'll go to the right side. Here's the closet. Weighing scale, laundry list, hanger. Got more drawers, slippers, male and female. Okay, so you can prepare here. Mirror with a chair. More drawers. And look at the room. This is a king size bed. You have here controls for the TV. Okay. There we go. AC control, room services, dining, restaurants, room controls for lights, AC curtains, television, choose cable TV, got NBA, entertainment, YouTube, connect your devices, casino, services, food. Yeah, so Everything's here in this iPad. You can bring it along. Just put it back. So more drawers which have sockets for charging your phone or gadget. Bed. And here is the other side table. Phone, notepad, another remote, although there's a remote there, the iPad. See? Okay, so more charging ports here. Universal. Here is the bathroom. So let's close it first. There. Just to show you guys. So that's the view with a closed bathroom. From the bed you can see it's a wide mirror. And let's open it. So the bathroom have curtain controls from the tablet. Here is the bathtub. It's like a jacuzzi type where there are bubbles. And we'll take a look at the shower. Here's a shower. Overhead, handheld, hot and cold, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel by Roberto Cavalli, so signature brand. You can actually sit here while taking a shower. Relax. Look at the toilet. So here lighting so it automatically opens. The toilet automatically opens. There's a phone. Controls for the bidet flush. So it's sensor activated. And once again, here is the city view. You can see the main entrance of Okada. It's there. This is the view for Junior Suite. So this is a grand looking bathroom. Chandelier, bathtub, and a wide mirror with 2 faucets and 2 sinks. So it's couple type. Let's see what's here. Okay, more controls here. Vanity light, off and on. Then can control the drapes. There, so it's all automated. See here, you got a glass and body milk by Roberto Cavalli, mouthwash, toilet paper, hand towel, got hairbrush, shower gel. Let's see what's here. Okay, got a blower. Still Robert Cavalli soap. And there's a mirror here for shaving, or if you want to zoom in. There, so here's the view of the bathroom. Again, this is the Junior Suite in Okada Pearl Wing. So we'll just go around again. Final look. So there's the living room, bathroom, bedroom, it's a sofa, walk-in closet. You got robes, This is the mini bar. So you can access the living room from here or here. You can like have a guest restroom here. Again, workstation and the sofa. Okay, so that's it for the junior suite in Okada.